Welcome to another episode of What Weathers Erodes. Let's talk about weathering and erosion. Now, what is weathering? Weathering describes the breaking down or dissolving of rocks and minerals on the surface of Earth. Water, ice, acids, salt, plants, animals, and changes in temperature are all agents of weathering. Soil erosion is the process by which the top layer of soil is removed by water, wind, or tillage. It can occur naturally, but human activities can significantly increase the rate of erosion. As we roamed around the campus, we witnessed some evidences of weathering and erosion. And we found this rock. This answers question, what caused weathering of rocks in the area? This rock undergoes physical weathering due to its location. The rock's location is beside a pathway with direct sunlight and exposure to rain. The repeated heating and cooling over time causes it to expand and contract, leading to cracks and breaking into pieces. Also, wind carries particles that erode the rock, all contributing to the rock slowly breaking down over time. Well, this is an evidence of erosion. It will answer the question how and why does soil erosion occur in the area. The primary factors are likely human activities, as the area is beside a busy pathway where students frequently pass by, trampling and compacting the soil, which disrupts its structure and makes it prone to erosion. Regular street cleaning, such as sweeping or clearing debris, further loosens the topsoil, making it easier for water to carry it away during rains. As we can see, the exposed root and sediment deposits along concrete edge highlight the gradual displacement of the soil. And yes, weathering and erosion happens at the same time. For example, in rivers, water weathers the rocks while eroding or transporting them to other places. Another is wind. It weathers the rocks and at the same time, it transports sediments. Now, we invited 5 people to share their knowledge about these processes. To answer the question, do you know about weathering and erosion? What are they? Why are they happening and how do they occur? Student 1 said, the weathering involves the gradual wearing down and erosion of materials over time. For rocks, weathering occurs due to factors like frequent rainfall and location of the rock. Rocks near the shore, for example, are gradually eroded by the waves over time. While Student 2 views weathering and erosion as contributing factors to climate change and global warming, which cause the breakdown of soil and rocks. They believe that the current climate issues such as excessive heat and rainfall are driving these processes. Student 3 said weathering and erosion are natural processes that occur when rock fragments break into smaller pieces, often due to natural events like storms. Student 4 believe that weathering and erosion are caused by both natural and man-made factors. Biotic and abiotic influences such as chemicals, human activity, livestock, and illegal mining can all contribute. Natural factors like wind also play a role in transferring the rocks and contributing to erosion. Student 5 said that weathering and soil erosion are distinct processes. Weathering involves the breaking down of rocks and minerals from Earth's surface, while soil erosion refers to the wearing away of the topsoil. Do you consider these processes dangerous? Why or why not? Student 1 said the weathering of rocks is dangerous, especially for infrastructures like light towers near the shore. If the rocks weaken due to weathering, it could pose a danger to people using the lighthouse. Student 2 believes that weathering and erosion are dangerous, especially for infrastructures made of rocks. Overuse or excessive exposure could lead to cracks, posing risks to people. While according to Student 3, soil erosion might not be dangerous if undisturbed, but it becomes hazardous when disturbed. It is similar to landslides and can be dangerous if communities are located near landslide-prone areas. Student 4 sees weathering and erosion as both non-dangerous and dangerous. While it's a natural process that has occurred for million years and to which humans have adapted, it can be still dangerous as it may harm people, plants, and affect the landscape. Student 5 considers weathering and erosion dangerous because humans are interconnected with the biosphere, meaning that environmental changes can affect us as well. What can be done to control or mitigate the effects of these natural occurrences? Student 1 believes that proper maintenance can help, but since rock erosion cannot be prevented, the key is regular upkeep and repairing any damage with materials like cement. Student 2 suggests to help the ecosystem, people should minimize plastic use. She believes that one of the main reasons for environmental problem is humans' overuse of plastics and the damage caused by things like smoke. While Student 3 emphasizes that intense typhoons and flooding are major factors of climate change, and to address this, the environment should be conserved and more trees should be planted. To prevent erosion and weathering, Student 4 suggests nurturing the land more and applying science and agricultural knowledge to conserve the soil and maintain its health. To address environmental issues, Student 5 suggests maintaining a healthy environment by planting more trees and ensuring their proper care. This has been your Team NARF, and see you next time for more episodes.